Question 22. H is inversely proportional to the square of r. When r is 5, h is 3.4. Find the value of h when r is equal to 8. Let's return to the first statement or sentence here in the question. It tells me that h is inversely proportional to the square of r. Now that actually implies something. That's telling me actually that h is proportional, and proportional uses this kind of fish-like symbol, is proportional. If it's inversely proportional, then it's proportional to 1 over the square of r. So 1 over r squared. Now if I know that proportionality statement, I can then set up an equation. That means that h is equal to some value k times by 1 over r squared. Now that I know that, I'm going to plug in what I know. I know that r is 5, and we know h is 3.4. So 3.4 must equal this value k, which we don't know just yet, times 1 over r squared. R is 5, that means that must be 25. So in other words, I know 3.4 equals k over 25. So how am I going to solve for k? Hopefully you can recognize we would times both sides by 25. Let's get our calculator friend out here. 3.4 times by 25 is going to give us 85. So we know that k is equal to 85. Now that we know that, let's return to our proportionality equation, which is this one here. So we're going to use this equation that we could write down from earlier on, and we're going to use that, but this time we're going to change the value of r. So we can now say that h, which is what we're looking for, must equal the value k, which we worked out, that's 85, times by 1 over r. In this case, r is 8, so it's going to be 1 over 64. We're going to get the calculator back out one last time. So we're going to do 85 times by, and the fraction, 1 over 64. That's going to give us an answer of 1.328125. And we're done.